We wanted to show what this machine could do. We can fit a half a sheet of plywood on this thing without any issues whatsoever. So we knew we were gonna have to do some big projects to really maximize the size of the machine and show it off. We knew those projects were probably gonna be geared a little bit more towards a volume or kind of production style environment because the AltMill can handle that kind of work. The AltMill is so ridiculously rigid and strong, it can lift like an actual Daniel.